Well, the Brazilian developer community is really wonderful. I mean, it's composed of a lot of, really smart people, really energetic people, people working on a lot of interesting projects. And one of the things that I find particularly interesting about sort of the Brazilian community and kind of Brazil itself is that you find people in Brazil doing interesting things in places that in other countries would be pretty boring. Like the folks in the Brazilian healthcare system or the Brazilian tax department. They're things that normally, they're known as sort of bastions of really boring software development. But in Brazil, they're actually doing really exciting and cool things. I think the stuff you've all been up to, not just as a set of developers, but as a culture, is pretty wonderful. I mean, you Brazilians are known as being completely crazy, and I mean that in the friendliest and most charming way. The Java Education and Development Initiative is really a pretty wonderful effort that's been going on in the Philippines that we've been helping them out with. I mean, it's really all about building courseware to be used to teach people in colleges or wherever, but using open source methodologies. So not only the course material is available in the open source, but the actual development of the courseware is done in open source, and they make this available to people all over the world. There's a big crowd of folks in Brazil at the DFJUG who are, putting together, courses based on this material that's been put together and tried and tested, and it's known that it works out and works well, and it's providing a basis for these really great videos that the DFJUG is putting on their website.